Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn can we merge two accounts in Instagram. So basically the answer is no. You cannot do merging in Instagram, as in Instagram this option is not available yet. But if it was Facebook, so in Facebook you can do this, but in Instagram you cannot. But you can do one thing is you can use two accounts at the same time, or you can add your second account, and you can use your both accounts in a single mobile. So I will show you that how can we do that. So let's get started. So first of all, open an Instagram account and then press on your profile icon. So there are two ways. First way is, as you can see on top, it's written more Azim. So just press on that, and you can see my second account, Metro 20300. Sorry, 20 and 222. This is the first way. The second way is hold your icon and the same thing pop-ups. So just I will sign in for you guys. Just I will sign in as it's my new account. So here you go, it's been logged in. So this is the way to use your two accounts in your single mobile phone. But you cannot merge two accounts or three or four account in Instagram, as this option is not available in Instagram yet. So this is the way to use your two accounts or three accounts in Instagram in a single mobile, or in iPhone, or in laptop, or in PC.